Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add 3 different styles of vents to a 30-degree sloped Lego roof for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a sample roof. I'm going to start placing down 4 3x4 30-degree roof slopes on this side of the 8x16 plate. We're really going to have to press those down firm. Behind the slopes, a pair of 1x8 bricks. These are going to be used to support our vents. And in the center, a 2x3 brick. Let's place a 1x6 brick right in the top center, and we're going to wrap around with 4 1x4 bricks. For the next layer, I'm going to set down 4 2x4 bricks. These are going to be used to support the third row of roof slopes, and a set of 1x1 bricks in these 2 areas. Now it depends on where you want to put your vents. I'm going to put a vent here, skip a few studs, a 4-stud long vent, skip a few studs, and a vent right here. So I'm going to begin on the left with a 2x3 slope. Now for here, I'm going to set down a 1x2 brick and a 1x1 slope right next to the brick. This is going to fill in this little area. And we're going to proceed on with a 2x3 slope and a 1x3 slope. Now for this area, I'm going to place a 1x4 brick. Now this brick is the same color as the slopes. That's very important. I'll show you in a bit. I'm going to place a 1x2 brick and a 1x2 flat tile right here in the center. Now in these 2 areas right next to the tile and the brick, I'm going to take 2 1x2 plates, place them on top of one another, and set these in this area. This is going to be used to attach our top portion of our attic vent. And we're going to proceed on with a 1x3, 2x3 slopes, 1x2 brick, and a 1x1 by 2/3 slope, and fill in this area with a 2x3 slope. Since the base of our vents have already been built, we're going to finish up the roof. So I'm going to place 4 1x4 bricks, and we're going to proceed on with 4 3x4 slopes. These are going to lock in all the previous slopes and bricks. Sometimes you may have to fight these in a bit to line everything up. And we're going to crown off the top with several ridge pieces. I'm using a 2x2 and 2x4 ridge slopes. These are all 30 degrees. Got to finish off the top of the roof. Now if you don't have these, you can always use some 2x2 flat tiles. Those work as well. Now for the attic vent, take a pair of 1x4 double bow plates, set these right on top. Gives us a nice little attic vent. And that 1x4 brick that's behind there, you can see it fills it all in with red. Now on the left hand side, I'm going to take a 1x1 nose cone, set it right here. This is going to be like a plumbing vent to help the water go down the drain. And on the right hand side, we're going to build an exhaust vent. So I'm going to take a 1x1 brick with 2 studs on opposite sides, and I'm going to face these off with a pair of 1x1 by 2/3 slopes. Make sure that they're facing down as shown. I'm going to set this on this side. Makes a nice little exhaust vent. Hope this tutorial helped everyone out.